Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about different transmission types that are used in networking, and those types are simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. So let's talk about one by one. First we can talk about simplex. In simplex transmissions, data is sent in one direction only. Think of it as a one-way street where traffic can only drive in one direction down it. An example is a television broadcast, where data is transmitted to receiving televisions, so only one-way transmission take place. Another example of simplex transmission is data being sent from a computer to a printer. Here data is sending only one direction. In half-duplex transmissions, data is sent in both directions, but only one direction at a time. So if computer A is sending data to computer B has to wait until computer A is done before it can send data to computer A. So data flows in one direction at a time. An example of half-duplex is just like how walkie-talkies work. With walkie-talkies, a person has to press a button if they want to talk to transmit their voice to the other person. And while the button is pressed, information is only going in one direction, so they can't hear the other person while they're transmitting their voice. They would have to release the button in order to receive the other person's transmission. In full duplex transmissions, data is sent in both directions at the same time. An example is a telephone conversation where both people can speak to each other at the same time. Another example is broadband connection on a phone line. So, as a comparison between simplex, half-duplex, and full duplex, you can use an analogy of cars on a highway. Where you have cars that travel only in one-way direction, can be considered as simplex data transmission. Where you have cars that across an area, so when a half-duplex, the cars would all have to share a single lane on the highway, and that lane only allows traffic in one direction at a time. But in a full duplex, the cars don't have to wait, because you can compare a full duplex as having a two-lane highway. Each lane is dedicated for a direction. The cars that are traveling in the opposite directions have their own dedicated lane as they travel to their destination.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.